Awesome.
Okay, today we're going to kind of take a look back at our debate that we had on Monday? Yeah, today's Wednesday? Okay. And so I'm going to give you a paper, and you're going to write an argument from the debate and support it with 3 reasons. So basically we're saying either I agree we should do or get rid of letter grades, or I disagree we should keep letter grades. So basically that's the first thing I should see you writing on the part that says argument. I disagree. Give me your 3 reasons. I am going to give you a... Okay. Most of you are done. What you'll need to do now is I'm going to tell you what side of the room to take your paper on. And I know most of us the other day were on the disagree side. But maybe after you thought about it or heard some of the arguments, you're like, oh, maybe I'm changing to agree. So it doesn't matter if you change your opinion, fine. So if your paper has agree, you're going to come get a piece of tape and go hang it on just the brown area of the board. If you are a disagree person, we're going to go lay them back there on that table. So let's go do that. A little bit. The tables gather at one piece of agree. At one, and after everybody's telling, go then.
That's not a lot.
Okay. So now that we've all voted, I'm going to look and see which one got the most votes. Oh, we have a tie. Okay, so I will just read these 2 to the class, and then we can kind of discuss and see which one do we think has the better argument, unless they have all the same reasons, which I would doubt. Okay, I agree that we should keep letter grades. Reason 1, kids are not instead of grades. 4 system number 2. So take or 2. More people vote. 20 of you that we like about. Okay. Number 6 talked about that everything that plays in because right looks. Okay, and I'm just gonna pause the recording real quick here. No, not again. Okay, so up here on the board there are 4 options, and these are going to be the 4 choices you have for what you're going to do your argumentative essay about. So option 1 is social networking in school. Option 2 is cell phones in class. Option 3 is junk food in school. And option 4 is single-sex education. So I'm just going to go to the same spot you're at. Oh, maybe not. Okay, so here we have the different articles. I have one on the social networking, single-sex school article, junk food, cell phone. So if you're like thinking right off the bat, you're like, ooh, the cell phone one, that sounds really interesting to me. So I would click on the cell phone article one. And then from here, how many different articles do I have linked dealing with the cell phone topic? 4. So I might first kind of open them and just skim through them if that's what I'm interested in. And then when I find 1 or 2 that I like, we need to print them. Okay? You find 1 or 2 that you like, and it has to be, like I can't do a cell phone one and a junk food one. You know, it's cell phone ones. You're going to print them and then start reading through and highlighting just like we did with our other articles. Okay, so what are we doing? Okay, finding 2 articles and printing. When you go to print and the little box pops up, you type in your like desktop computer password information. Okay, so like G. Henderson and your 4 numbers. That's how you print. And you can only print to the library. Okay, so I am going to give you about 10 minutes to skim through the articles and get to print it out, and then we're going to come back together. So 10 minutes to find your articles, print them, get things stapled, and start reading. Okay, we are opening another tab and going to keep.google.com. Okay, keep.google.com. .google.com.
Because I'm awesome.
Okay, so we're going to use this as an easy way for you to share your information with me, and I don't have to have 30-some Google Docs, and for me to be able to easily give you feedback and know, are you doing what I need you to do, and I just have to go to one place. Okay, so, sorry, I'm just trying to delete these from last year. Is everybody there? Okay, so at the top, where it says take a note, we see that? Click there. And then make sure you are typing in the title. So in the title, I should see whatever topic you chose. So like I'm going to say junk food in school, or whatever topic you chose, right? It can only be one of 4 things. And then I'm going to do a dash, my name. Okay, so do your topic, dash, your name. Unless there's 2 of you in a class, first probably works. Okay, then the next thing you need to do is, so I have my note open, I'm clicking on the 3 dots, and under the 3 dots you want to choose Add Label. Okay. Okay, so then on Add Label, it like pops that little thing up below to type. I want you to type in, you guys are the B's, right? So type in 8B. Yep, and create. And then the last thing you're going to do is come back to the like person with a plus sign, and it calls it collaborator. Okay, the person with the plus sign. And then you are going to need to share it with me. So you would start typing in S. Fuller, and it should pop up for you to choose my email. Okay? When you are done with that, that's all I need you to do for the day. If you wanted to.
Wait a second.
Okay.